Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're at Walmart. We're here to do our weekly rebate haul, and I'm happy that I'm able to get out to the store. I did post on YouTube, the community tab, that I had like some food poisoning or something like that. I got really sick suddenly on Wednesday while I was working, so it was a little odd and strange. And anyways, I'm glad to be able to make it today because I have a Weekend Warrior rebate for $5 for 10 offers. So absolutely going to do that today. There's a bookworm bonus. Now I have heard with the bookworm bonus, minus $10 for 45 offers, that it counts for multiple rebates like we did with the last bonus. So if you get three things of deodorant, that wouldn't work either, but you know what I mean. If you got 3 things of one item, then it would count for 3 rebates. Now I know with the last time around, it did for some people and it didn't for others. So I'm not sure how that's going to work with my account. But there's some really good rebates out there, and I am so excited to get a bunch of deodorant. So we're definitely going to be doing that. The sign for some reason caught my eye. So anyways, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah, and I like to show you how to save money any way that I can. There is a Google Doc link down below in the description box for you to help you plan your trip or to help you out in store. But anyways, guys, that's really all I have today. So let's go inside and see what we can do. So the first thing we're going to grab is the Dollar Shave Club items, and these have a really good Fetch Rewards offer that is kind of hidden, like the Walgreens offer is. So we're going to grab one of the Dollar Shave Club butters for $6.97, and we're going to grab a razor kit here for $6.97. That's going to equal out to $14.94. Let me grab my coupons. So we're going to use these $3.50 off coupons from the August Unilever insert. That's going to bring our total down to $7.94. We're going to get back 975 kicks on each one of these on Shopkick. $9.50 for buying them and $25 for scanning them. That's going to it's going to take off another $7.80. But then you're going to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards and get back 4,500 points on there, making these a $4.36 moneymaker. Now, like I said, the Fetch Rewards offer is hidden, so if you scan it and your offer is not there, then this would be like 19 cents or 14 cents. So it's either way, it's still a decent deal. But if you have the Fetch Rewards offer after you scan it, you won't see it until then it's an even better deal. Next, we're going to get this Safeguard hand soap, and I see a new scent here, so I'm super excited. So these are $2.97. We have a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, so we'll get that back. Then there is a $1.08 rebate back on Shopkick, so 250 buy kicks and 20 scan kicks. Then I'm going to submit my receipt to Brand Club. I'm going to sync it. I already have a $2.25 rebate, or it's not a rebate, but you know what I mean. Survey reward on there for $2.25, making this an 86-cent moneymaker. So next we have the Old Spice dry spray. The Kraken Norda is gone, but I did scan the Wolf Thorn and it works just fine. So we're gonna grab the Thorn for $5.47, and then we're gonna use this $3 coupon from the August P&G. Then, oh, what did I just step on? So we'll get back $3 on Ibotta. Then we're going to submit our receipt to Shopkick. We'll get back 250 buy kicks for this and 20 scan kicks. So it will equal out to $1.08 back from Shopkick. Then I have an Old Spice rebate on my Brand Club for $2. And that's going to make this guy here free and a $3.61 moneymaker. So I hope the Wolf Thorn, my goodness, smells good. So next we're going to do the Dove Dry Spray Deodorant again, and the shop kicks were increased. So that's crazy. So we are going to grab a men's and a women's for $1.97 a piece. And look, they got them stocked and they have caps. So that's good. So the two of these These will equal out to $3.94. You're going to submit your receipt to Shopkick and you're going to get back 900 kicks for each one, which is $3.60. So that's going to make these both free and a $3.26 moneymaker. That's crazy. So I've come across some damaged product. So I come across some damaged product in the clearance section. My Walmart does that. And if I have something that is a moneymaker for it, then I definitely grab it. So this is $5.61. We have a $3 printable coupon. So we'll pay $2.61 and we will get back $5 on Ibotta, making it a $2.39 moneymaker. Now, since the top is ripped, I most likely will just throw it away, but it's a moneymaker. So I've done that before with really bad looking makeup. If it's like 50 cents and it's a $4 moneymaker, I still grab it. So yeah, you might end up having to throw it in the circular file, but if you can get a moneymaker out of it, it's a good deal. So we're also gonna grab some Suave dry spray deodorant for $5.18. And we have a coupon for it, but I'm a little ways away from my coupon. So these are $5.14. We have a 50-cent coupon from the August Unilever insert. Then we're gonna submit our receipt to Shopkick. We're gonna get back 900 buy kicks and 10 scan kicks, equaling out to $3.64. Plus we have a $1.50 rebate on Ibotta. Then I'm going to sync my receipt to Brand Club. I'm gonna get $1.50 back, making this free and $1.92 moneymaker. So next we're gonna grab some Secret deodorant. This Secret is $5.47. We are gonna grab 3 of them. 3 of them will equal out to $16.41. We're gonna use this 5 off 3 coupon from the August P&G. I'm gonna grab 2 different scents here. I'm gonna grab a vanilla, 2 vanillas, and a coconut. And I'll tell you why in a second. So this is gonna equal out to $11.41. Then we're gonna submit our receipt to Ibotta and get back $5. Then we're also going to submit our receipt to Shopkick and get back $1.08 on Shopkick, 250 buy kicks, and then 20 scan kicks. A lot of offers are like that today. Then I'm gonna sync with Brand Club. I have 2 different surveys, that's why I have 2 different barcodes here. I'm gonna get back $2.50 for one of them and $2.25 for another one. So that's gonna make these not free, but it's gonna be 53 cents for all, or 58 cents, excuse me, for all 3 of them. And I think that's an amazing price, especially if you don't have a Walgreens where you can get free or really cheap deodorant sometimes. So next we're gonna grab some 5-star products for school. And we're gonna grab one of these black folders here for $1.48. And then we're gonna grab some paper. And I love grabbing notebooks. So we're gonna grab a notebook here for $3.36. We're just gonna grab a 1 subject here. So we're gonna get back $1 on Ibotta for both of these. I'm also gonna get back $2.50 from Brand Club for this guy here. I wouldn't get it for here or for getting 2 of them because the products are under $2.50. So that's why I grabbed this one here for $3.36. That way I will get the offer and it'll make both of these just $1.34. Also gonna grab these Ticonderonda pencils, the My First Pencil Ticonderonda. They're $1.42. I couldn't film by these pencils, but anyways, they're $1.42. And you'll get back $1.50 or 1,500 points on Fetch Rewards. So you'll make 8 cents on each one of them. So if you max it out for 3 of them, you will get them all free and a 24-cent moneymaker. And Jody expressed that she wanted to get these for EJ, so I most likely will give them to her. So my store has the twin pack Glade warmers for $3.48. I already got one here, so we're gonna submit our receipt to the coupons.com app for $2.50 and $1.75 back on Ibotta. I was sick when they were going crazy over these, otherwise I would have been in there right there with them where there was like double rebates on this and it was a huge moneymaker. But it's still gonna be free in a 77-cent moneymaker and it'll count towards a bonus, so I'm happy as can be with that. So I was gonna get some Finish and they don't have any Quantum, but I look back here and there's a couple. So There's a Quantum and a Power. So we're gonna grab those. So the two of these will equal out to $7.46. We're gonna submit our receipt to the coupons.com app for $1 back. I'm gonna use my boyfriend's coupons.com. So then I'm going to get back $1.75 and $1.50 on Ibotta. Then I'm going to sync my receipt to Brand Club with 2 different surveys. I'll get back $1.75 and $1.50 again, making them free and a 4-cent moneymaker. I have been getting on Walmart, I've been getting the finished surveys and cashing out on them. So I'm not sure why other people are having problems with it, and I do apologize. I wish I knew more than that. Brand Club is not very transparent, but they are giving me back the money on the finished surveys that I do for or at Walmart. So we have the Ziploc bags, and I don't know if I'm gonna get them because I can work, I mean, I do have money makers and I can work them into a better deal at, say, Walgreens, but I think I'm gonna grab these two at $3.98. I just like the storage ones and the freezer ones better than the sandwich ones. So these are going to be $7.94 for the both of them. We have a $1 printable coupon that we can use. Where did it go? It is right here. We have a $1 printable coupon that we can use, and then we can submit our receipt to Ibotta and get back another $1, so it'd be $5.96 for both of them. But I think I have some money makers that will pay for it, so I think we'll be okay. But if I don't think so, I will put them back. So I'm at my 10 offers, but I want to get a treat for, you know, because it's going to be a really hot weekend. These are so good. Oh my gosh. Bomb Pops Nerds. Okay, I get sidetracked sometimes when I see stuff. We just had a box of these. These are so good. But anyways, we're going to get some of this Luigi's Lemon Ice for $2.98. We have a $1.25 rebate back on Ibotta. So that's going to make these $1.73. And even with these, I'm going to have a good money maker. So we're going to grab that, and we're going to grab one more item. So we're going to grab this again. These are $1.78, and the free offer reset on them. So I'm going to grab this for $1.78. It does show that there is a 75-cent bonus when you get 2, but my first one didn't register. I don't know if that happened in between the reset of this, but this is going to be free. If I get a 75-cent bonus, then that would be even better, but I'll take a freebie. Okay, so this is everything that we're grabbing today. Super happy with the haul. It's kind of back to schooly, kind of pretty much back to school. But anyways, I'm happy with everything that we got. We're going to go check out, and we're going to meet out in the vehicle, see how everything went. All right, guys, so we are back in from Walmart, and I did move my vehicle, and that's because when I first get here at like 7:30 in the morning, I'm able to get right up there to the first spot. I do a little, you know, pre-check before I go in, and then when I'm done, I'm like, I'm done, so I really don't need this very first spot anymore, so I move. But I mean, it's like right up to the, it's like the same, it's like on the other side of like the handicap spots, so it's like really an amazing parking spot. But anyways, I don't feel right sitting there and doing my stuff when I'm done shopping, so I move. And then of course you can tell I'm actually at Walmart. So a couple of things that happened. So I think this happened at another store though too, is the Ziploc bags, when I was uploading it to Ibotta, it didn't catch them. So I had to scan those. And then my $3 printable coupon for the L'Oreal men's hair dye. Now the coupon beeped for that one. So I'm figuring because on the bottom they had a weird thing over the UPC, like a weird sticker. It was like a strip of a yellow sticker. It wasn't like a new UPC or a new even like clearance tag. It was odd. My guess is because of that. But I scanned it on the coupons.com app, and I got the, you know, it matched the offer. So there should be no problem with that one either. But other than that, everything went great. So my total for my transaction after coupons was $71.78. I got back $25.03 for regular rebates on Ibotta. Then I got back the $5 Weekend Warrior bonus. I got 10 cents back for buying a gift card, which used to be pay with Ibotta. I'll get back $6.50 for coupons.com. I'll get back $2.50 for the plugs. I'll get back $3 for the L'Oreal men's, and then I'll get back $1 for one of the finishes, because they all scan on the app. I figure it's a go. Then I got back 9,313 points on Fetch Rewards, so that equals out to $9.31. So after I scan my receipt, then you can see here the offer for the Dollar Shave Club is there. It's not there when you look at your app and you haven't bought anything. So once you buy it, then you can see it. I like those offers, but then I don't, because if they're not for everybody, then it's hard to, advocate for it, I guess. So then the big rewards was on Shopkick. I got back 5,495 kicks between scan and buy kicks. That equals out to $21.98. And that is for both of the Doves. That's for the Old Spice. That's for both of the Dollar Shave Clubs. That's for the Suave, the Safeguard, the Secret. I mean, it's just bam, 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 bam. So I should get back $16.25 on Brand Club. All of the surveys that I showed you are already on my account. So I should get back $2.25 for the Safeguard, which I've gotten them back in the past for Safeguard at Walmart these past few weeks. $2 for the Old Spice, $1.50 for the Suave, $2.25 and $2.50 for the Secret, $1.50 and $1.75 for the Finish, and $2.50 for the 5-star. Now, Finish is another one that I have been getting from Brand Club, because as I'm doing them, my surveys are going lower and lower. You know what I mean? So, like last time, I think I had a $2.25 one, and now that one I already cashed out on. So that equals out to $16.25. So what does that make my total? It makes, and that includes the Ziploc bags that I was like, oh no, I don't think I should get these because it's really gonna blow my, it's gonna blow my total up. But everything was free, and a $12.41 moneymaker. That's a big surprise. And yeah, that was a really big surprise. This week I thought was going to be a really tough week, and I had a $12 moneymaker here. I had like under $1 total at CVS. I had a moneymaker at Walgreens. So yeah, I don't know why I'm hard on myself like that. But anyways, guys, that is all I have for you today. So that is all I have for you today. Don't forget to grab your Google Doc down below in the description box. Thank you so much for everyone for watching, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye, guys.